Well, this is how you do it. You need to do the underside. You just take your equipment and you just flip this thing over. Holy crap. Thanks, West Virginia. Thank you for the rust. I mean, I could have done without that. So, this is where I wish I had a sandblaster. Something to clean this thing, but I guess it ain't so bad. I'll clean those spots here that are the worst. And then, I mean, they're not hateful, but that stuff bothers me. Here it is after probably 30 minutes of power washing. Power washed a lot of this. I did use muriatic acid. That's why the rust is pretty much dialed back. And what I mean is a lot of the scaling is gone. Of course, the pitting is still there, and you can see some of the brown, especially in the camera, but it isn't really scaly. It's you know, nothing's coming off. And I did all up here. This is the worst, but this was never painted or treated, so you know, you can imagine this was just a regular steel plate. Wait for it to dry. I blew it off, but really didn't help. It's still so humid out here. It's drying in spots, but it isn't drying all evenly. This is just a regular bri-mar trailer. If you notice, I put wet bulk kit in it, which means greasable links, because boy did I used to go through those. And it's got the Dexter kit that does the equalizer, that's rubber bushing. Oh my goodness, if you don't have that on your trailer, you're missing out. Best $200 ever. Goes down the road without jumping off the road, plus no stupid Teflon bushings to go bad. Yeah, I did over here. So I'm gonna show you. Next will be some rust reformer, which I really like. Does really well, holds up really well too. Rust-oleum rust reformer, and it's easy to get. And then I'll red oxide and then paint the bottom black. But this is what I used. I tried using this stuff from Home Depot, but it doesn't work. It's green, which means it's not real straight muriatic acid. You need real muriatic acid for this to work, but I basically put it in a regular sprayer, wear gloves, wear eye protection, I wear rain suit so that nothing gets on me. In the past I've used a pump sprayer, but it's one use out of that pump sprayer, and then it's done. So this time I tried it a little different with a regular spray bottle. As long as I did it straight, it's very toxic, very aggressive. So you really want to, you know, to have your face covered, everything, and not breathe this stuff in. I put it on here, let it soak for a minute, and then power washed it back off. Not only does that really take the oils and stuff off where the paint will stick when it's done, but and the paint will last longer. I've noticed on my other trailers that I've done this with that the paint is really, really durable. Maybe because it etches and digs out all the imperfections. It really lets the paint bite into the base metal. So, but that's it. I'll do an update later when I get to the next step. Gonna let it dry overnight now. All right, just got done doing a quick spray on the bottom. It didn't come out bad. Some rust-oleum. Just trying to do treatment. Used rust reformer, which I've used in the past and works really, really good. Of course, cover your wire with tin foil. Makes it real easy to take the tin foil off after everything dries and it doesn't stick. I just covered the tires in plastic bags to prevent paint getting on them. I think it came out good though. It looks 100 times better. You can see some of the corrosion at the end, but hopefully we prevented it from causing any more damage. I used an airless electric sprayer, cheap one, and believe it or not, it worked really good. Very happy with the results, very happy with the product here.
Yeah. Yeah, you can testing it out. That's fine. For what?